Hey Grizzlies, these are the assembly expectations.
We are safe during the assembly by sitting in our assigned seats and mastering Kaifu.
We are respectful during the assembly by clapping and following teachers' direction.
We are responsible by listening to speakers and performers.
We want to cover a few of the expectations just to make sure we're all on the same page. To help the assembly run smoothly, please be safe, respectful, and responsible. When the presenter needs your attention, they will typically do it in one of two ways. They may do a countdown from 5, whereupon all teachers will raise their hands and count down along with the presenter until they get to 1. At this point, finish your conversations and give your attention to the person in front. A second way they may get your attention is by doing a rhythmic clap. Once the presenter claps, repeat the clap. Again, put your attention on the presenter. This will give us more time to do some of the fun things during the assembly. As always, make sure you keep your phones away. If we see it out, it will be confiscated. And make sure you stay with your class. Please do not walk away or find another class or friend to sit with. And there will be no bathroom passes during the assembly. So make sure you take care of that beforehand. And please keep it clean. You should not have any food in the auditorium as it is, but if you do make a mess of any type, please make sure that you clean it up. Please remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible so we can have a great assembly. Thanks, Grizzlies.